now it should come off. Hey guys, Roland from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee front bumper removal and installation. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification, and also hit that like button. And if you guys need this particular bumper for your vehicle, the link is up above and also down below. You can purchase any pre-painted auto body parts at ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. Alright guys, so we're going to get started on the bottom as always, so the bumper doesn't fall down on us whenever we're trying to take it off. So the bottom was fairly easy. Let me show you guys what to do. Alright guys, so if you go to the bottom of the car, hopefully I can get this phone steady. Alright, if you guys go behind the bumper, right there, see like that right thing? Let's see. So it's all the way behind the bumper right there, these clips right here. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I believe. And all you do on these clips right here, all you do is go ahead and turn them, and then they come right off like that. Okay, so you're gonna do that for every single one of them, all the way in the bottom, and that's all you do. Just take off these clips. Okay, so there's gonna be 4. I think there's one all the way on the other side too over there. Okay, so make sure you take all of them off. So it's pretty hard for me to show you guys with the camera what I'm doing, but basically once you guys get these clips right here, I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna be all the way back here. So let's see, it's all in the middle. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like every single one of them is in the middle. Oh, actually there's one on the side right here. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Alright, so one of the clips that was a little bit hard to see was back here. And so this clip right here was like right back here. Okay, so that's one of the ones that's hard to see. Alright, let me get this light on there. Okay guys, so on the side of the bumper right here where the wheel well is, you're gonna see these plastic tabs. Those are actually the rivets, so you have to drill those out. It's gonna be 1, 2, and then this one right here on top is a 10mm bolt that needs to be taken out. So for me, on these rivets right here, I'm not gonna well, you can't reuse them anyways. And the other one, the other way, if you don't have a drill, you got a razor blade. So make sure you don't cut the pieces right here, and you can actually just go ahead and cut them off like that. So you guys gotta be careful. Remember, this is painted, so you guys got to be careful whenever you guys slicing it. So just slice it like that, and there you go. So I don't need those things. Now we're gonna go ahead and take that bolt off right there. That's gonna be a 10mm. And it looks like that. So go ahead and do that on the other side also. Alright, so right here is going to be a little bit of a tricky section. So you got to take this off right here. So let's see if you can just pull it off. We got to be careful so you don't damage the fender. Oh, actually, yeah, it just comes off like that. So you don't want to go too far out because there's another clip right here. This one's missing it, but this clip right here you don't need to take off. So you just need to take off the portion where the bumper is. Okay, so like right there, and then this should be able to be pulled out. Yep. But we're not gonna pull it out right now because we need to go to the top and take off those push pins on top. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and lift up that hood. And on the top portion, you're gonna get these push pins right here. So on this particular vehicle, you only need 1 and 2 of them taken off. You can use like a flathead to take those off. Let me get that. Basically, just got a flathead and put in between the head and the body of that push pin. So basically, this is the push pin right here. So when it's down like that, insert your flathead and twist it up and it should release it. So do that on the other side also. So I'm just gonna lift up on it so I can kind of release it like that. So again, just lift up on it to kind of release it. Alright. So we're not pulling the bumper off right now. You see those fog lights right there? You don't want to pull the bumper off right now because you still have those plugged in. So what you're gonna do is go behind the fender liner and unplug it. So again, go behind that fender liner right there. And then you're gonna reveal that socket right there. Alright, so fender liner, back it up. There's this plug right there on each side. Pull the tab right there on the side and you can just go ahead and push, or actually the easiest way, twist this and it comes right off. Alright, so do that on the other side also. Alright, once you guys have those fog lights disconnected, you're gonna go on one side and you're gonna pull back like that and unclip it like that. Okay, go on the other side and do that too. Alright, so get these stuff out of the way. You don't want that. Okay, so now it should come off just like that. Alright, so we'll flip it this way. A lot easier to work with. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.